Yeah, it's a huge puzzle. It's and like I said, if everything fit good, it would have probably just fell right in place. All the parts are just stamped off from wherever they come from, and none of them seem to fit together the way they exactly should. So kind of just tweaking everything to get it to line up, and also going off of an old body that wasn't perfect, trying to find all the measurements and get everything as close as we can. Mainly trying to get all the door gaps set, everything kind of set off of the doors, so then it kind of works around from there. So then just been a big issue fitting all these things. So, but finally getting everything lined up, and it's starting to look like a real Bronco now. Pretty good about it. It looks pretty awesome, and I don't know, I mean, it definitely, like, from first day and then thinking that, oh, it's going to go together good, and then when you get about halfway into it and you find out the stuff you think fits good, and then you have to go back and kind of rework a lot of that stuff, it gets very frustrating. So now seeing that it all fits together in one big piece is pretty cool. It's definitely I feel a lot more confident about, you know, this truck looking really good in the end. Truck's lifted with larger tires and wheels. So the original quarter panels have a not so much clearance for the bigger tires, and maybe the travel and suspension as well. So we're modifying the rear quarters to have the same wheel arches and flare out like the front fenders are, and then that'll give it a factory look, kind of like it should have been done, and then also give you the clearance you need.